water is one kind of iron oxide. Thank you very much. Λοιπόν, αυτή είναι η πρώτη παραλία. Η πρώτη παραλία έχει κηρυχθεί ακατάλληλη από το 2013, διότι πέφτουν βράχια από το βουνό. Όποιος κατεβαίνει από τη δεξιά μεριά του βουνού από το μονοπάτι, απλά κατεβαίνει με δική του ευθύνη. Αν γίνει κάτι για χτυπήσει, το κράτος δεν παίρνει ευθύνη. Επίσης, να σε ενημερώσω ότι είναι ένα οξύδιο του σιδήρου, γι' αυτό και είναι για κόκκινο. Ευχαριστώ πάρα πολύ. Water, you can see everything at the bottom of the sea, as you can see. I would like to inform you, if you are getting up here for swimming, you'll be a little bit wet, because whenever you use the ladder from the stairs, you'll be into the sea, and the water is 1 meter. The water is up to hips, up to here, because it's very shallow, that's why I can't be closer to the beach. But it's very easy because you can walk to getting off. And then, if you want to visit both of the beach, white and black, you must be getting off firstly to the white and then to the black, because the mountain and the black hole over there, it's one cave and you can swim inside. You can be from here, you can cross until the other side. It's longer, more or less 30 meters, and you can walk inside because the water inside is less than 1 meter. So it's safe if you want to do it.